Hey, let the nigga out real quick. You see me on check it. Hurry up, hurry up. Feel me? That shit good? Man, what it do, GDG? Goddamn game, man. Y'all know who I am. It's your boy Sam, no lie nigga. I'm that guy nigga, and I'm back with another video, man. Listen, I know y'all read that title, man. Today's video, man. Listen, I got a crazy one for y'all. So in a second, me, Kye, and Dee, I'm about to run somewhere. Yeah, my nigga Dee back after 2 years. This nigga first video, my first prank on this nigga in like 2 years. That's crazy. I know y'all miss Do-Rag Dude, but anyway, man, listen, we about to run somewhere in a second, and it's raining. I know y'all hear like thunder and lightning and shit like that. Man, listen, I'ma act like my truck, you feel me, like my back tire going flat, and I'm gonna ask them boys to get out and look at it for me, you feel me, while they sitting on that side of the truck. You feel me? When them boys get on that side of the truck, you feel me? Because who won't check a flat tire? We gonna see the tire going flat no matter what, because nobody wanna be stranded. So them boys, you feel me, hopefully they get out and check it, and I'm gonna pull off on them boys while it's raining. Man, listen, this job getting wild. I told y'all, listen, we on the dumb shit. I'm back on the dumb shit, man. I'm back on the 2020 pranks, man. I'm back on the retarded shit. Now listen, before we get into this, man, gonna like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell if y'all new so y'all get notified when we boy drop these bangers. Make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram at GOTDAMNSAM. Everything I need to know will be linked down below in the description. Hey man, we about to get right into it. I already got my camera set up in the truck, man. We about to go crazy. I'm trying to tell y'all, but we about to go crazy, man. Listen, leave your favorite part about this video, man. Let's go and get into it. I ain't even gonna hold y'all boys and girls up. Let's go. Hey, what the fuck y'all niggas wanna eat though?
I'm sure on McDonald's. They blew me yesterday.
McDonald's blew you?
Well, I was in that line about 40 minutes.
Right there?
Well, right there.
I already knowing.
For just for 10 pieces of McNuggets. And 3 chocolate chip cookies.
Ugly.
That ain't even eat fresh.
I know that.
Right with change, can't eat it.
And they wasn't fresh. Nigga, they was probably 2 days old.
Ain't talking about 2 days.
I made down trifle cookies.
I did eat 2 out of 3.
They is, right? Yeah, lady snot on us.
Yeah, about the cookies.
Wait, they snot on us about the cookies.
It seemed like it was a bakery or something. Like me disrespected their cookies or something.
Maybe I come.
I ain't had seen it in Japan forever, but goddamn, they prices insane for a bowl of food, so that I'm sure.
I had seen Japan like a week ago. I was like, damn, I'm flaking this shit no more. I do like half of my shit away on God.
All they want, they're gonna blow me.
Hello? Hey. I'm down the street. What's up? I don't know. I have to go back and look. Alright. Oh yeah, what you saying about the oh yeah, the bit with the cookies?
Yeah.
I can shape and shit. Yeah. I want to pull from Pula. They're right here, shortcut. We go goddamn Pula got that shit now. I know you ain't been down here in a minute.
Well, I'm tired.
Get that carry Hillers.
Oh boy, hey, we might eat some carrot hitters today, boy. I ain't had that bit for
Good.
Boy, I know that boy. I get that boom boom should be him, but they don't give enough of that shit.
They don't give enough of it.
Man, what that?
You got another 2 of them, man.
What? That's too much money right there. You feel me?
Crazy.
Nigga ain't dealing with that.
2 would be enough serving though.
Hey, damn, listen, before we go to Pula though, now I really gotta goddamn. I know my tires be going flat on this big. I gotta try to check my damn air pressure. You feel me? I don't want to wait like that. You feel me? We stranded. Stranded.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Hey, man, that's a hit now.
Oh, this a little part right here. We can check. I can check my tire yet?
Yeah.
I can check my shit right here real quick.
Yeah.
Let me come over there. I want to check my shit real quick. But hey, yo, I don't want to be stranded. It be low.
No, I ain't gonna say that. You feel me? I ain't gonna say that.
You gonna say what?
Perfect spot to bring your yoins out, you feel me? Perfect spot to bring your yoins out.
You don't brought it back here? That's what you're saying?
No.
Oh, send me some of you been now.
I'm trying to tell you, you feel me? I really don't even want to be back here. We're gonna, you feel me? We gonna check it out. That shit should be good, though, bro.
Oh my God.
That shit should be good.
You don't know what the tire is.
You said I don't know what the tire is? That bit might pop it. They didn't get in a second, bro.
Oh,
I just like that nigga get out, look at it real fast. For that shit, you feel me?
We gonna go in there and look at that bit look gated. They gonna be on our head. You feel me? How about I check my child? All I do want to take my child.
Man, ain't nobody coming straight to pull over real quick. Goddamn, I get out check it real quick.
Go behind us? Oh, ain't nobody behind us. Oh, can you not check that?
Yeah, nigga.
Hey, let that nigga out real quick and you see me not check it. Hurry up. Why is it raining?
Oh, no lock. Oh,
hurry up.
I got you. I got you.
Hey, see my shit? You see that shit? You feel me? That shit good? Listen. I done let the niggas out in the rain. Let me get them niggas. It's raining like a fuck. It's raining. Let me get them niggas, guys. What are they stupid? Man, what you doing? Urban, get in, man. That rain there, bro.
Man, what you doing that for, man? Dang, bro. Come on, man. Man, it's raining out there, guys. What you got going on, Sam? Man, no, Sam, ain't that funny, bro.
Somebody let a bird in this bitch. You feel me? A bird came out of nowhere. I had to take off. Wait.
Ain't no bird came in the truck, Sam. You left me out in that rain.
Listen, I swear I thought a bird flying in this bitch.
Man, you left me out in that rain, Sam. I'm in slide.
Look, bro, what you looking at me like that? Look, bro, I saw I got a bat out of hell came out of nowhere. Oh, and
I'm gonna show you about the hell, alright?
This man didn't even get a chance to look at the tire.
Oh, the tire should be good. It feels like it's rolling good. It's good. You good?
You damn right it's good, Sam. What the fuck you got going on, Kai?
Oh, my fault, little bro.
How you know it's good? You didn't even get to look at it, bro. That man took off. I told you about you like this. That man started.
D, I'm pretty sure this nigga just lied to get us out the car, D.
What you mean? My tires do be going flat. Look, I check them shits. Them shit do be going flat, though.
You lied to get us out the car?
What you mean?
Man.
Why would I lie to put y'all boys out in the rain?
It's not just raining, but it's lightning out here, man.
It is lightning.
Man,
they could have cooked Lil D ass.
What they cooked Lil D?
The lightning.
Oh, damn. You feel me? But I'm saying that ain't my fault, though. You know what I'm saying?
How ain't your fault? You put us out the car to go look at that tire.
What you mean?
And you told him to go look at it.
Look, bro, I thought a bird flew in this bitch.
I had to get out.
Something flew in this bitch. I'm not tripping, though.
You tripping? Man, nah, you tripping. You left me in the rain.
No, I'm tripping.
We could have left Kai in the rain, but you left me in the rain.
Hold on. Y'all want to check this?
For real,
hey, check this front.
I'm in slide, bro.
Check this front one for me. You check
the front one?
Yeah, check the front one for me. Look out there. How that bitch look?
Do you fall for that stupid shit again?
What? How you fall for what, nigga? You feel me? We in the truck.
And you renting that portal on for what? You renting that portal water for what, son?
Look, bro, we good, look, bro. So my tire, you good, right?
We soaked. Yeah, you good. We soaked. We out here playing in the rain like look out to whoop your ass.
Lil Jammer left one of his little work vests and dry yourself off with that. I know that towel.
You can't dry yourself off with that. I'm telling him to hold up, Sam. You put us out in the rain, Sam. In the rain.
Look, bro, it's cloth though. Look, bro.
Sam, you put us out in the rain, Sam.
Sam.
My do-rag wet now, Sam. What you talking about?
Yeah, nigga, now he wet do-rag do.
Wet do-rag do.
Yeah.
Look, bro, you wanna get your ass out and check my tire again?
Hell no.
Alright.
Nah, man, so that job ain't funny, son. That job not funny, son. That job not funny.
You care less about how healthy this shit. It's lightning, Sam.
I could've got struck. Them lightning boots were close.
Listen.
And I ain't say count.
Hey, y'all boys good, cuz? You dry D?
Getting there.
Y'all niggas dry. Y'all niggas good. You good?
Do I look good?
Look, bro, you still wet.
Come on, man.
You still wet and all. But nigga, listen.
Lightning right here.
But y'all some good homeboys though, you feel me? Cause y'all was willing to check my flat tire in the rain, man.
What? Like,
you feel me? Y'all some good homeboys.
Who wouldn't get home?
Yeah, I'm saying though. So y'all say I'm the bad nigga. Believe me, y'all boys.
If you don't think you are, there's something wrong with you.
Look, bro, I'm telling you, a bird. Look, bro, I'm telling you, a bird flew on that bitch.
But we ain't even get
Don't even bring that bird back up because I'm getting mad.
And that bird had like, has like spiky wings or some shit. I'm just telling the truth, my nigga. I'm just telling the truth. Nah, you feel me? I fuck with y'all boys. It's my fault, you feel me? It's a little prank. Y'all boys know it's a little prank, right? Nah, look, bro, your shit is well, bro. You should buy some chain clothes.
Who knew it was gonna get wet like that? Come on, bro. That's why I was no truck. You feel me? In the rain.
Come on, man.
Okay. That's cool though.
It's cool though. All the blues just dropped about it. Something, my nigga. Hey, listen though, GG, if y'all enjoyed the thing, man, get the thing a big thumbs up. I need this video right here to get the 2K likes. If it get the 2K likes,
Don't say the part two.
we gon'
Don't say the part two. Don't say the part two.
No. Make sure y'all boys go like, comment, and subscribe, man. Listen, make sure y'all go subscribe to Dee Babyy after 2 years.
Come on, man.
My boy's back.
Better than that.
Make sure y'all go subscribe to Dee Babyy. Make sure y'all boys subscribe to my boy KyeSoSick, man. Everything y'all need to know will be down below in the description, man. Listen, make sure y'all go check out my recent videos. Trying to go crazy, man. We trying to get the house, y'all boys.
Come on. It's in motion, man. Come on.
It's in motion. It's most definitely in motion. It's most definitely in motion. I'm telling you, I be trying to tell y'all shit is in motion. I just gotta trust the process. That's all it is. Y'all got anything else to say?
Man, oh yeah, man. Stay tuned. Bangers coming. Bangers coming.
For sure.
Stay tuned.
For sure, man. We're gonna catch.
This ain't over.
It ain't over.
What?
Well, he started paying around faster than lightning that day. Where it started.
Oh, you literally that nigga run from lightning.
Come on, man. Yeah. That light was close, man. Nah.
Man, we'll catch y'all boys and girls in the next video. Man, I'm out. Gang.